Welcome back, DIY enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fun and exciting project. How to make a remote control car using cardboard. Yep, you heard it right. We're going to turn simple cardboard into a fully functional RC car. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's go over the materials you'll need for this project. Don't worry, they're all common items you probably already have lying around at home. You'll need some sturdy cardboard, 4 bottle caps, a pair of DC motors, a battery pack, a switch, wires, hot glue gun, and of course a remote control unit. Now grab your cardboard and let's start crafting the body of our remote control car. You can design it however you like. Get creative. Once you have all the pieces cut out, it's time to assemble them using hot glue. Make sure everything is secure and sturdy. Next up, we're going to wire up the motors. This might seem daunting, but trust me, it's easier than it looks. Take your time with this step and double-check your connections to ensure everything is properly wired up. With the motors wired up, let's attach them to our cardboard chassis. This is where our car starts to take shape. Make sure the motors are aligned properly and firmly attached to the chassis. Now let's power up our remote control car. Connect the battery pack and switch according to the wiring diagram. Test the switch to ensure everything is working smoothly before moving on. Last but not least, let's add the finishing touches. The wheels. We're going to use bottle caps for this part. Secure the wheels onto the motor shafts, making sure they're aligned and spin freely. And there you have it, folks. Your very own remote control car made from cardboard. Pretty cool, right? Now it's time to take your new creation for a spin and impress your friends with your DIY skills. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember, the only limit to what you can create is your imagination. Until next time, happy crafting. See you in the next DIY adventure.